I have a question for you. Have you ever been gathered with family or friends, maybe at a summer campfire, a lazy afternoon on the porch or at the beach? Wherever you are, someone pulls out a musical instrument. And the next thing you know, everybody is smiling and singing together. You feel full of joy and connected to the people around you. Or maybe you've only seen this from afar and you want to make this experience part of your everyday life. Either way, this feeling of joy and community is exactly what we strive for at Song by Song, based here in Portland, Oregon, where we teach ukulele and music classes, workshops, and jams where you can sing and play to your heart's content with fellow music lovers. My name is Avery, and I am the director and founder of Song by Song, and I encourage you to come and join us. Whether you've been making music your whole life or you're picking up an instrument for the very first time, we welcome you. Our classes have a relaxed but structured learning environment where you can build the basic music skills you need and deepen your musical experience with others. So please check out our upcoming events at our website, learnsongbysong.com. And if you have any questions along the way, let us know at hello@learnsongbysong.com. And we hope to see you soon.